up, y'all? My name is Coco Nicole and welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time here, my name is Coco. I'm kind of funny and then I'm kind of chill and I like to have fun and then I'm kind of laid back. So if that makes any sense to you, go ahead and smash that subscribe button. I bet that you're gonna love it here. So in this video, I'm gonna be unboxing another Telfar bag, y'all. So I did my first Telfar bag unboxing back in like 2021 or 2022. And I don't believe that I had purchased a bag since then. I think that I had received one as a gift, but I haven't purchased a bag since then. And when I have received an email notification about Pearl dropping, I was like, ooh, she's cute, because I have always wanted like a white or like silver iridescent bag and everything. So when I had seen her, I was like, okay, I need to, you know, get my funds right so that I can cop this bag or whatever. And then the package had came just the other day, so I said, let me go ahead and unbox it for y'all. And also, if you're new here, I love to put a spotlight on Black-owned businesses. I have a playlist right here. Telfar is one of my favorite bag companies right now. I just love their minimalist style of like their bags. I love all of the colors. I love everything. I love the statement that the big T and everything makes, and celebrities wear them, everyday people wear them. So, you know, I'm always happy to support and wear their bags. Before we get into the unboxing, y'all, I wanted to show you all my other iridescent bags that they offer. So I would consider this an iridescent bag. I don't know if they do, but I had previously shown this bag on my Telfar unboxing video, which I'll put right here. But I have Cobalt, which I would consider a iridescent bag. It's like an iridescent like denim blue. It's probably still my favorite. I don't know if I said it in that video, but it is probably still my favorite. It looks great, and I keep it like all packaged up and everything. And it looks good with jeans. It looks good with baby blue. I just love this bag. And this is the small bag, if you're wondering. I think that this bag is really pretty in like the winter, for like the winter time and everything. And my other iridescent bag that I have received for my birthday this year is Açaí. I think that's how you say it, Açaí. I love this bag. It's beautiful, beautiful, iridescent purple. Got it in a medium. I love this bag so much. She is absolutely beautiful and stunning. And then the medium Telfar bags, and I believe the large as well, they come with the zippered inner compartment. And I love this bag. Açaí, y'all. If this one comes back and you like it, I would recommend that you cop this bag. Okay, y'all. All right, so here we go. All right. So I don't want to make this video too long. I know y'all want to see the unboxing, so I'm about to unbox Pearl. And I think I'm going to wear Pearl with kind of almost like anything. I mean, obviously I probably would do like white, pink, blues, maybe like light purples. All right. So all of the bags come in this plastic bag, and then they come in like a cotton dust bag. All of the bags come like this when you get it. All right, so here we go, y'all. All right, so here we go. Ooh, nice. Yes. Ooh, can y'all see it? Dang, I hope that it come out well on camera. Can y'all see that? Yes. It's definitely giving like a pearl, like a mother of pearl. It's definitely giving pearl. I see like some blue and purple, like iridescent reflections on the white. It might just look white on camera. I'm not sure how it's like picking up, but it definitely has like a iridescent tint to it. I might need to adjust like my lighting. I don't know if it's doing it like justice. It's giving like an amped up white, because like in person, you can see like the bluish purple reflection to it. It's really pretty and iridescent. Like I said, I hope that this video is doing it justice. This is what it looks like next to the purple and the blue, or should I say the Açaí and the Cobalt. This is what it's looking like. I hope that y'all enjoyed this video, y'all. Hope that y'all enjoyed me welcoming Pearl to my collection. I can't wait to wear her. So I'll put the information about the bag down in my description box, and make sure that you sign up for emails from Telfar. That's the only way that they notify everyone about their bags, or you can follow them on their Instagram page as well, and I'll also put that down below. So yeah, I hope that y'all enjoyed this video, y'all. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, y'all. And until next time, take care.